Hello everyone, welcome to our quick walkthrough video for the Rate Plan Set feature. On your screen, you can see our Rate Plan Set. This enables easy management of different pricing setups for various occasions, such as Christmas, weekends, or special festive periods. For instance, you might have a default rate plan set, but if you wish to create a special one for a festival or for packages with food available, this is where you do it. Once a rate plan set has been created for festivals or weekends, there's no need to manually change prices in the price calendar. Just select the rate plan set from the price calendar and it will be assigned accordingly. Another feature is the ability to change individual guest prices. Here, you have the option to adjust individual guest prices. Now, let's delve into how to set a new rate plan set. On the screen, you can see a default one and a festival one. Both have been created with the default one color-coded in green and the festival one in blue. This color coding assists in quickly identifying which rate plan set has been enabled or disabled in the price calendar. Let's learn how to create a new rate plan set. In the top right corner, there's a box labeled New Rate Plan Set. Clicking on this takes you to a screen where you can enter your rate plan set name. Let's name it Christmas. We'll then select a color code. Let's pick red for Christmas. Let's proceed and create a new rate plan. A new rate plan set for Christmas has now been created with a red color code. Currently, your property has deluxe, standard, and suite rooms. The initial settings of this Christmas rate plan will mirror the default ones. The only thing left to do is adjust the prices. For example, let's set the rate for deluxe room for 2 guests as $1,500 for room only during the Christmas period. For 3 guests, let's change to $3,000, and for 4 guests, to $3,500. In this manner, you can modify all the room prices for individual guests for different meal plans. When you scroll to the right, you'll see a column for extra children and infants. Here, you can specify the additional costs for children and infants. You can adjust these rates as needed. In the Edit section, you can review all the settings and modify the cancellation policy or the rates for extra children or infants. You can also disable the rate plan if needed. Returning to the rate plan set, that's how you create a new one. It's actually quite straightforward. Now let's see how to assign it to the price calendar. When accessing the price calendar, let's open it in a new tab. At present, all the dates are assigned to the default rate plan, which is marked with a green color code. If you wish to change it to the Christmas rate plan, simply click on the default button and select from the available rate plans. We have default, festival, and Christmas. Let's switch it to the Christmas rate plan. Upon clicking on the message, a success notification will appear, indicating that the Christmas rate plan has been assigned to all room types. The price difference you're seeing is due to the fact that we haven't adjusted the prices for the standard and suite rooms, but we have for the deluxe room. This demonstrates how you can assign a rate plan set in the price calendar. Now, if you wish to change dates from the 22nd to the 1st of November, there's no need to do this individually for each date. Instead, opt for the Assign Rate Plan Set option and open it in a new tab. This will provide an overview of the rate plans assigned to each date in each month. For instance, on the 22nd of October, we've just assigned the Christmas rate plan. Simply click on the date to assign the Christmas plan to dates from the 22nd to the 31st of November. You can choose to use the Date button or input on the calendar. You also have the option to exclude certain days if needed. After making your selection, click Assign. The rate plan is now being added, which may take a few minutes to load. Once done, you'll see that the rate plan has been assigned to the selected date range. To confirm, return to the price calendar and refresh. You'll see that all the dates have been assigned with the Christmas rate plan. This demonstrates how easily you can switch to the appropriate plan set, avoiding the manual task of updating your prices every year for each season. Let's check one thing we missed in the rate plan set: OTA button. In the Actions section, next to the Edit button, when you click on this option, a page like this will appear. Here, you have the option to increase or decrease by a fixed or percentage value, any amount that you want to apply to the prices going to OTAs. Simply save and apply, and your prices will increase by that amount when going to OTAs. That's another useful feature with the rate plan set. It's important to be cautious when modifying prices to OTAs from the OTAs button here. Let's say in the price calendar, for example, if you change any prices such as altering the price to $1,500 for the 22nd of October, this will be changed in accordance with the price differential set in the rate plan set. You can see here a 100 rupee difference for 1 packs and a 100 rupee difference for 2 packs. If you perform this action and then proceed to change the OTA prices, please remember that the prices in the price calendar will revert back to the original price set in the rate plan set. So, after increasing or decreasing the OTA prices, the price calendar will revert back to 900, 1000, 1100, and so on. Thanks for watching.